Hello all. So if you need to change out your transmission fluid, you might have heard that changing out the transmission fluid can cause it to fail or cause it to start having problems. There's a lot of videos on this and different types of comments inside of forums. So I thought I'd make a video that's just dedicated to this topic and whether or not changing transmission fluid can cause the transmission to fail and if you should or shouldn't have the fluid changed. And I know this is a very controversial topic. A lot of people are going to have different opinions on this. So if you do have a comment on this, let us know down below. And so the first thing is that there's going to be different types of transmission fluid changes. One type of flush is where they completely flush out all the fluid and put all new fluid in. This is called a machine assisted flush because the machine's going to be hooked up, all the old fluid's going to be removed, and all new fluid's going to be put back in. There's also a partial flush called a drain and fill, where the fluid that's just inside the transmission pan, that it's strained out, a new filter is put in, and then however much fluid was removed is put back in. And that is just a partial flush that's called a drain and fill. Whichever type of fluid change is done, the filter that's located inside the transmission, that should always be changed out with the new filter. Another thing to mention about transmission fluid changes is that it's very important to get the correct fluid that goes to that transmission. There's a lot of different transmission fluid types, and if the wrong one's added into the transmission, then that can cause a lot of problems. So it's always important to do a little bit of research and get the recommended fluid for that transmission because there is differences even between different transmission models. Sometimes it's even a good idea to go and read through forums and different things like this just to see what other people have used and what good results they've had. But just keep in mind that it's very important that the correct transmission fluid is added back into the transmission. And so next up is why changing the transmission fluid can sometimes cause issues. And this is because a transmission that hasn't been maintained regularly, that the fluid hasn't been changed out when it's supposed to be, the new fluid, when it goes in, it can loosen and dissolve like gunk, which can clog up the internal passages in the transmission. Also, a transmission that has high mileage, it might have a component that's getting worn out. When the new fluid goes in, this can change the fluid pressure to where it's supposed to be. But this change in pressure can cause a component that was getting ready to fail just to go ahead and give out. And this is mainly for high mileage transmissions that has not been maintained. The fluid hasn't been changed out when it's supposed to be. If the transmission has really high mileage on it and that fluid has never been changed, then that can cause issues. And so when can the transmission fluid be changed? If that transmission's been maintained and the fluid replaced when it's supposed to be, say it's rated to be changed out at 50,000 miles and that fluid has been changed out at that time, then there should be no issues doing a full flush. That shouldn't be a problem. But if it hasn't been maintained, then I would check that fluid and check to see if you smell a burnt smell. Because if it is really black and if it does have a burnt smell, then it's probably not a good idea to change it out. But if the fluid's still red, then very likely it's okay to go and change. And so when should you not change the transmission fluid? If that transmission fluid looks really black and has a burnt smell, then it's not a good idea to go and change it out, especially if the transmission's still working. If that transmission's having a lot of problems, and say you're getting a lot of codes and different things like this, it's not shifting right, something along those lines, then it might be worth a shot just to see if it helps clear up the problems. I would only do a partial flush at that point, change out the filter, just see if it helps clear up the problems, which may or may not work at that point. I know a lot of shops that won't change out the transmission fluid if it does look really black or really burnt, because at that point, very likely it will cause some kind of problem and they'll get blamed for it. A lot of people also ask what high mileage is, if their transmission does have high mileage. Again, this is going to vary. There's different recommendations from the manufacturer when the fluid should be changed. Also different things like highway miles versus city driving, or even something like really hot weather or something like that, that can affect how the transmission's aging and how it's wearing. And so, should you flush your transmission fluid? And the short answer is yes. As long as that transmission's been maintained, the fluid changed when it's supposed to be, then there shouldn't be any issues getting the fluid replaced. If that transmission hasn't been maintained, or you don't know if it's been maintained, and that fluid looks really black and has like a burnt smell to it, then I personally wouldn't change it out, especially if the transmission's working. If the fluid still looks red and it doesn't smell burnt, then it's probably okay to go and change out. And personally, if I see a vehicle like that, I would just do a partial flush and change out that filter, and I get the best results using that method. And so that's basically it. If you have any questions, ask me down below and I'll try to answer them. If you have anything to add on this, please comment down below also. If this video helps you, please click like, please click subscribe, and have a good day.